Hey guys, in today's video, Quictent has sent me a screwless 8-foot by 3-foot by 1-foot raised garden bed to test out and demo. So let's go check it out, see what it takes to put it together, and what I think. Thank you for watching the videos. This video does include an affiliate link for Quictent. If you use that link to make a purchase, I do receive a commission. But if you check out the link above or in the description, use the promo code Greg8% to get a little discount on your purchase. And this is my 8-foot by 3-foot by 1-foot screwless raised garden bed from Quictent. A little over 21 pounds here. Let's get it opened up and see what it looks like. And so it comes with a pair of work gloves and these panels. Okay, to assemble it, it does have these little bolts here that insert into the next panel and lock. And there's a little clip at the top that you raise up. So when you line them up, get the little in there. Whoops. There we go, like that. Pull them tight. And then this little clip holds down in the top to hold the pieces together. And you just connect each section just like that. Quick and simple. Again, when you're assembling them, you take the end section, you set it where you can actually see it. It has this little clip, a little locking clip that raises up, like so. And you'll actually fold that back down. It has a little latch where it'll latch the two pieces together. On the other side, it has these little raised buttons that come out. And you take those and just insert them in the opposite pieces. A little slot there, pull them tight, and then just lock the little lever down. And there's the little top latch that folds down. Slide the little buttons in each one and connect each piece. And there's one end assembled. Quick and easy. It also comes with these little brackets for more reinforcement. They just sit over the box, over the rivets like that, and slide down and give it just a little bit more support. So the panels are held together with these little connectors there, and at the top with the little hinge lock. Now to add all the internal brace supports and the crossbars. Again, this is the 8-foot by 3-foot by 1-foot screwless raised garden bed from Quictent. Okay, so I've got the supports on the sides. Now then, it did come with these cross members that actually sit inside those to give even more support. And they just slide in the little groove in the cross bracket on either side. And there you have it, the Quictent screwless raised garden bed. Now to add some soil and get to growing. Here's a quick little look at some other Quictent raised beds that I already have going in my garden. And that was the Screwless raised garden bed from Quictent. Don't forget, if you do decide to check out one of the links for Quictent, use the promo code Greg8% to get you a little bit of a discount. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing.